So here's a little tour of our room, R60 above the Carnival Paradise. So, yeah. So, first thing you notice when you walk in is, of course, it's an upper-lower. Looks like there's space for another bed here and the upper, if they wanted, so they could fit 3 people in here. In the corner over here, brand new TV. They did just go into dry dock back in February, I believe it was. They upgraded a whole bunch of stuff, and it looks like the TVs were one of them. One thing I really like about the upper lower here is under here on the right hand side are 2 USB ports, one of which is high power. So I've been using that to charge my phone, and there's another one I've also used. And then of course you got the night light, the little lamps that you can turn on above the bed. They're automatically on with the regular light, but you can flip the switch and it has a little like a book reading light. One thing I found really cool with the upper and lower is that when the upper is engaged, there's a little shelf here, and I actually have some stuff in here. That's my drone. I took out to Cozumel, and one of my fans and the remote control. Then a little nightstand there. There's a little bit of space on the wall here. A little weird. I'm used to sleeping against the wall, but it's fine. It hasn't really been any issue. Of course, I think it's a nightstand. And this is the upper bunk with the ladder. This surprised me. I thought it would be more noisy. You know, like every time my buddy would go up and down, I thought I would hear it or feel it, and it's just been very sturdy. So very nice, very nice. Come into the left, of course, the desk. And one surprising thing about this I didn't know is there's a little mini fridge in here. Looks like it's having. Oh, there it goes. Okay, we didn't know there was a mini fridge in here at all. Little chair, and then hair dryer. Of course, the vanity mirror, the light, and myself, sunburned, like normal. A couple of little shelves here, 2 USB ports there, and the phone, 2 outlets, and then a 220 volt outlet. Of course, you got water for being gold cruisers for Carnival. Then you got the 2 dressers here, or whatever, closets. This one seems to have the most space. That's pretty cool. Then you got this one with the life jackets above, and a full length. Oh, my apologies. Mirror, and then shelving, and then of course the safe. And actually, we kept our towel animals. They've been small, so we just put them in a little space here. And then more shelf here, and then some just some drawers, one of which we didn't use. And that's the bathroom. Standard Carnival bathroom, pretty nice. Left hand side is the shower. Toilet on the right hand side, and then in the middle we got the sink and then all the space for toiletries and whatnot. But yeah, that's all. I am pleasantly surprised by this room. It's the first time I've ever stayed in upper lower, and I have actually enjoyed it. I mean, the space provided, because it's an upper lower and there's only 1 bed instead of 2, is great. And again, the fact that those 2 USB ports are over there, I love it. This might actually be my favorite room I've had so far. But oh yeah, and I did forget this. There's actually a light here for the upper bunk that you can turn on, so you can have a little reading light or whatever. There is not an outlet that I can see, but that's okay. So that's all. This is R60 aboard the Carnival Paradise. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.